Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Kajabi for online business, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Kajabi for your online business, first, visit the Kajabi website. Sign up for an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Fill in your details to create your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To create a new product, click on the Products tab. Select New Product and choose the type you want, such as an online course or membership site. Follow the prompts to add course details like title, description, and cover image. Now, let's set up your course modules. Click on Add Module to structure your course content. Upload your course materials, including videos, PDFs, and quizzes. Next, navigate to the Marketing tab to set up your sales page. Choose a template that resonates with your brand. Customize the sales page with your branding elements and course details. Add a compelling call to action to encourage conversions. Once your sales page is finalized, connect your payment processor. Head to the Settings section and select Payment. Follow the instructions to link your preferred payment gateway. Now, let's set up email marketing for your audience. Click on the Email Campaigns section. Create a new email campaign to engage your audience. Design your email content and choose your target audience. Schedule or send your email to boost your course sales. Now, set up a landing page for lead generation. Navigate to the website section and select Landing Pages. Pick a template and customize it with your lead magnet offer. Ensure to include a clear opt-in form for capturing leads. After your landing page is complete, test it to ensure proper functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.